Hello, I'm Tamira from University 101, Section H9, and I have Civility Act 128. Donate your pocket change. Okay, this seems like a good cause.
Hi, my name is Kiada. I'm in the H9 section of University 101. My Civility aid is RSVPing to invitations on time. Oh, what's this? Oh, an invitation to NaKema's 19th birthday party. I need to make sure I attend this as soon as possible. RSVP to this as soon as possible.
Hi, my name is NaKema and I'm in the University 101 H9 section, and my Civility Act is number 19. Listen to more than one news source.
Hey, what you watching, Kiana? Right now I'm watching Civility. Oh, okay.
I always like to watch two news sources.
Why? You think this one's biased?
Yeah, they're biased. They always give one side of the story.
Or maybe you should watch something else.
Name is Alex Sells, University 101 Honors Section 9, and my Civility Act is number 251, move quickly through a green light.
Okay.